Good morning everyone, hello G. It is 8th of April and it is Easter week in the Netherlands. Today we decided to visit a place in Zaandam called Zanse Schans, something like that. Zanse Schans, and it's pretty neat. The good landscapes and yeah, I hope it's a well spent Saturday for us and I'll definitely show you around.
Maar het wordt wel op afstand.
There is a small ship coming for which the bridge is closed and they have lifted the bridge. See, that's the boat for which they opened the bridge. Oh, yeah, the height is more than the bridge could accommodate for. Oh, I think there is one more yacht. I think it opened for them as well. Yeah. He doesn't care about the height, so. It's a huge line for the bridge to open up.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I've become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may. Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old eyes. And my crooked little heart that seems so rebellious is falling apart right now. I'm bleeding.
There is a restaurant. I think one. Okay. He's in too much of a hurry, or he's trying to scare off the tourists. So there are multiple places to eat here. There's a bakery as well. That's nice. Local brewery as well. It's wonderful. Pretty early to drink, but the food may be good. And it's full. Since we are done with a lot of sightseeing in Zaandam, pretty much tired, and now we're thinking to eat something. We did not find any good place in Zaandam itself. Maybe since we are not much aware of it. Nothing bad about the place, but we ourselves are not aware of what and where to eat. So we are thinking of going maybe to Amsterdam Central or somewhere close by to Amsterdam Central for some good Indian food or a cuisine different than the normal bakery which we are having for quite a while now. Yeah, I'll keep you posted. Okay, so we reached Amsterdam Central, and it's a very sunny, bright sunny day. The last time we were in Amsterdam Central, I think it was Christmas. I made a video as well, and it was very rainy, but today it's wonderful. It is sunny, it is warm for a change in Netherlands, and it's great. Today Amsterdam is full on active. Everyone is out and everyone is enjoying this summer bright sunny day. Not the summer, but luckily today we have a good sunny day, and all the restaurants, all the cafes are full. Even the coffee shops are full. It's great. Thank you. Oh, Coke Zero with lime. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, it is 3 p.m. now. We are done for the day. The adventure for Saturday ends. We get tired. We'll be heading back home. I hope you liked the video. You like some of the shots I took. Stay tuned for whenever I post a video. Just keep watching. Thank you. Take care. Have a good day. Bye.